Here we have a basic Next.js component called Home. It renders a div with a link component inside. The link component is imported from Next, link, and it's used to create client-side transitions between routes. The link points to the About page. When a user clicks on it, Next.js will navigate to the About Us page without a full page refresh, making the experience smooth. However, this code doesn't make use of route prefetching yet. In this updated example, we've added the prefetch prop to the link component. With this prop, Next.js will automatically prefetch the code and data for the linked page, About, when the link is visible in the viewport. This means as soon as the home component is mounted and the link becomes visible, Next.js will start loading the necessary data for the About Us page in the background. When the user actually clicks on the link, the navigation will feel instant, because the data has already been loaded. This advanced example demonstrates how to manually prefetch a route. By creating a custom component called Prefetch on HoverLink, we're giving ourselves more control over when the prefetching occurs. The useRouter hook from Next Router allows us to invoke the prefetch method, which is triggered on mouse over, but with a crucial 100 milliseconds delay. The delay ensures we don't waste resources prefetching for users who are just passing the cursor over the link without intention to click. But, if the user moves their mouse away within that 100 milliseconds window, the on-mouse-out event cancels the prefetch to save bandwidth and performance. Overall, this pattern can optimize user experience for those who hesitate before clicking a link or for drop-down menus that prefetch content for deeper navigational links.